So I've been trying to use embroidery and fabric collage to make birds, and I just kind of want to show some people. This one is Paizo. He's a yellow-crowned Amazon. He was the bird I grew up with at my dad's house. My partner asked for an emo stork, so here we go. It's hard to see right now, but the rain is actually iridescent and shiny. And then I started on seasons. This one is my autumny fall one with bronze and gold and little wing feathers. He's cute. And then here is winter, which I tried to make a penguin, but his beak ended up a little off. But I really love his icicles. They're so shiny. Anyway, that's my bird so far, and next up is spring.